Are wheel spacers the same as offset wheel? Wheel spacers have a direct relationship with wheel offset. The BONOSS Forged Lightweight Plus wheel spacer is further upgraded and optimized for weight based on the common wheel spacer. We call it Lightweight Plus. Under the premise of ensuring safety and reliability, it effectively reduces weight and energy consumption, thus improves control performance and achieves a balance between high performance and environmental protection. The hollow design makes the whole spacer lighter while ensuring safety. Compared with the previous product before the upgrade, the weight is reduced by about 20% on average, and the lightweight effect is more direct. Although Lightweight Plus cost an additional increase in production cost, for a better customer experience, we have assumed this cost and maintained the same price as the previous product before the upgrade. Both spacer and the wheel are held on with a full stud engagement, instead of having half the stud taken off with spacer. This saves the budget of buying a set of extending wheel bolts, ensuring they are properly torqued because this provides much less chance of wheels falling off. Once again, my name is Grace. If you like our videos, please give us a thumbs up and make sure to subscribe. Thanks for watching and have a great day.